Next question number 10 we have is, what are the major components of seminal plasma? Now let's discuss this. Seminal plasma along with sperm cells or sperms constitute together to form a mixture, and this mixture is known as semen. So we have semen. Semen constitute two components, that is sperm cells, which are actually made inside the testis, and another portion in the semen we have a seminal plasma, which is a mixture of three glands associated with the male reproductive system. As we are discussing the major components of seminal plasma is actually a mixture coming from the three glands of the male reproductive system, and in the case of male reproductive system we have three types of accessory glands. What are these glands? First gland is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle, the number one gland we have is seminal vesicle. This seminal vesicle gland is actually present in a pair. So we have two seminal vesicles in the male reproductive system. Now let's talk about the contribution of seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle contributes about 60% of the seminal plasma. First of all, this portion, the mixture coming from the seminal vesicle is actually contributing 60% in the seminal plasma. This seminal vesicle is providing us with the fructose, which is of course a nutrient. Then we have mucus. Then we have some enzymes. And it also provides alkaline pH, which counteracts the acidity in the male urethra as well as in the vagina of a female. So this is the contribution coming from the seminal vesicle. It contributes about the 60% of the seminal plasma. It provides us with the fructose, which is a nutrient. Then it provides some mucus and some certain enzymes, and also it provides alkaline pH, which counteracts the acidity in the male urethra as well as in the vagina of a female. Next gland, number 2 gland we have is prostate gland. Prostate gland is actually 1 in number. This is not a paired structure, this is 1 in number, prostate gland. If we talk about the prostate gland contributes about 30% of the seminal plasma. 30% of the seminal plasma is actually contributed by the mixture coming from the prostate gland. What does the prostate gland provide? Prostate gland provides citrate. Prostate gland provides citrate, which is a nutrient for mitochondria present in the middle piece of a sperm cell. So this is the energy source. Citrate is an energy source, or we can say through this citrate the mitochondria is actually make energy. Then after citrate, prostate gland also provides us with calcium ions and also with proteolytic enzymes, which helps in the liquefying of the ejaculate just before releasing. So prostate gland is actually contributing the 30% of the seminal plasma. It provides us with the citrate, calcium ions and proteolytic enzymes. The third accessory gland in the male reproductive system we have is bulbourethral gland. Actually, this bulbourethral gland provides alkaline pH. This gland does not contribute much to the seminal plasma. This gland is actually lubricates the passage for semen, and it also function in the seminal plasma, that it contains buffer, just like the seminal plasma, and it helps in the counteraction of acidity inside male and female. So these are the components or contributions of seminal plasma.